Hello students, welcome to my channel. My today's maths class is, you know already, in the algebraic expression we are there. That is unit 2 algebraic expression. It is related to the exercise 2.3. See here students, already you have learnt that like terms and unlike terms, addition of like terms and subtraction of like terms, and in that also two methods are there, horizontal method and vertical method. Now let us understand the product of, that means multiplication of monomial by monomial. You know what is monomial? I already explained to you that what is a term, what is a algebraic expression. Now what is a monomial term? We will see. If there is only one term in the algebraic expression, that is monomial term. Now let me say 3x. Yes, is it monomial? Yes, monomial. 3x into 4y. Now multiplication of monomial by monomial. How to multiply? Already we understood now. Addition and subtraction. Now let us understand multiplication of monomial by monomial. See here children, very simple. First we have to multiply the numerical coefficients of both monomial. Which are the numerical coefficients here? The numerical coefficient in the 3x is 3. The numerical coefficient in the 4y is 4. Now let us multiply 3 into 4. 3 4s are 12. X into y, xy. Finish. This is what multiplication of monomial by monomial. Now one more example let me take. 2x square y into 2x. See here students, both are monomial. So then how to multiply? Let us see. See here, first we have to multiply the numerical coefficient of both the monomials. What is the numerical coefficient in this term? In this term numerical coefficient is 2. In this term also numerical coefficient is 2. 2 2s are 4. Okay. Then see here, x square is here x is there. You know already you have learnt the indices. This is first law of indices. When the base is same, powers are different, during the multiplication we have to add them. A to the power m into a to the power n is equal to a to the power m plus n. That rule we have to apply here. See, x to the power 2, here x to the power 1, we have to add them. So x to the power 3, y here nothing is there to multiply with the y, just we have to keep it as it is. So this is what multiplication of monomial by monomial. See here, unlike terms can be multiplied like this. Here these two are also unlike terms only. Unlike terms can be multiplied. Unlike terms can be multiplied, keeping their power and the variable in the mind. So again one more I will take 3xyz into 2a. See here students, first what to do? Already I said that first we have to multiply the numerical coefficients of both the monomial. See here, 3 2s are 6. Here x is there. Here there is no x. So we have to keep it x, y, z, a, because both are different here. X, y, z is there. Here a is there. So we have to keep as it is. So this is what multiplication or product of monomial by monomial. So in this monomial by monomial, just I will put one table and show you how to multiply. In the same way it is there in the exercise, you can do it. It is big one, just a small table I will put and show you. This is multiplication. Here 2x, here 3b, here 4c, here minus x 2b 3x. Now just I will show you how to multiply monomial by monomial in this case. The same way in your exercise, one table you are having, you can solve it easily if you concentrate on this. Now you see here 2x into minus x. First plus into minus, minus 2 into 1. Here the coefficient is 1. 2 ones are 2. X into x is x square. This is what? Monomial by monomial. Then 3 into first plus into minus, minus 3 ones are 3. B into x, bx. Next 4 into 1 or plus into minus, minus 4 ones are 4. Here c is there, here x is there. Cx. Then here plus into plus, plus only 2 twos are 4. X into b, xb. Plus into plus, plus only 3 twos are 6. B into b is b square. 4 into 2, 8. C into b, cb. Now 2 threes are 6. X into x, x square. 3 threes are 9. B into x, bx. Like this we have to do. 4 into 3, 4 threes are 12. C into x, cx. This is what? Monomial by monomial. You are having same kind of table in the exercise 2.3. You solve, so many are there. When you solve those things yourself, no, you will become perfect. Before that, here I will put one small table for you. That is sign, very very important this one. For multiplication, plus into minus, plus into minus is minus, minus into plus is minus, minus into minus, plus, plus into plus is plus only. Please children, while multiplying you remember this sign, then it will become very very easy for you to solve. This is what? Monomial by monomial, my dear students. Now let us learn the product of monomial by binomial. You know what is binomial? Binomial means the algebraic expression having two terms is binomial. Monomial, you know, already we have understood that how to find out the product of monomial by monomial. Now let me take an example. 4x into 2a plus 3b. See here, this is binomial, this is monomial. Now how to find out the product of these two, we will see. See here, 4x into 2a. First we have to write 4x, whatever is there in the bracket. For this bracket, this 4x is multiplied. So 4x into 2a, 4x into 2a plus again 4x into 3b, 4x into 3b. See, now you know monomial by monomial how to do. 4 twos are 8, x into a, ax plus 4 threes are 12. You know how to do monomial by monomial. Same, x into b, bx. xb also you can write. Here xa also you can write. But ax is, it is good method to write because alphabets start from a to z, not x to a. So we have to write, instead of xa we can write ax because you know commutative property that we can apply here also. xa is nothing but ax, here xb is nothing but bx. So we can write 8ax and plus 12bx. This is what? Binomial and monomial. The product of, the method of finding the product of monomial by binomial. This is what? The method of finding this. Then next comes binomial by binomial. That also now I will take here only. Binomial by binomial. See how to find out the binomial by binomial. See now, binomial by binomial means two terms multiplied by two terms. Say example, 2x plus 3y this is one binomial into 2a plus 5b. This is one binomial. How to multiply? Very very easy, children. Please give attention. Important also. See here, first bracket or second bracket, any one of the bracket you write 2 times. See now I am writing this bracket 2 times. 2x plus 3y, and the same bracket I will write here. Little place you have to write 2 times. You write easy method. I am just telling you 3y. Then what to do? Second bracket. Second bracket you just split. How many terms are there? 2 are there. First term you take here behind the first bracket. Along with the sign you write here plus 5b. Then now you know monomial by binomial. Monomial by binomial. Same method you can follow. 2a into 2x. 2a into 2x plus 2a into 3y plus 5b into 2x plus 5b into 3y. See here, 2a into 2x, bracket means multiplication. 2a into 2x plus 2a into 3y, yes, plus 5b into 2x, yes, plus 5b into 3y. Let us write now. 2 2s are 4, a into x, ax. 2 3s are 6, a into y, ay, plus 5 2s are 10, b into x, bx, plus 5 3s are 15, b into y, by. Now after this, if any possibility of addition of like terms means we can add them, but I think here ax, ay, bx, by, no like terms, we can keep the answer as it is. This is what binomial by binomial, children. You try it in the exercise 2.3. Some sums are there, you try it. If you can't get it, you can comment me in the comment box. Once after completing one chapter, I'll come one session for the live session. So now, but nobody is putting the comment only. How can I come? So better you put the comments in the comment box, and one day I'll fix and come in the online live session. We can do it. Okay, children. Thank you for watching. Share and subscribe my channel. Make all your friends make use of the things available in my channel. Thank you.